We do it for the floor.
By the box, my dog sick, quick, fi kill idle as your badness of a rich, fi live like the god. Me no thump out like Tyson, rifle, my rice for that.
Andrew! You talk, what me put in your backseat? My, you're going to have a big bag to the rest. And that alone again. Alright, so what's the road with it?
Oh, your phone, you're close, I mean, leave you back.
Lucky though, you're not lucky though.
Nah, get that smell of
weed.
Jesus.
Yo, we should not even turn on this in copyright. But guys, yeah man, we finally get slick right now. We're gonna catch up with him and then circle back with you. Me in a store now, I go get juice with slick, I'm kinda sick. And he still I go pull through and do a video, you know. So hopefully I try to find something for drink too. Cause we stop and get food about 1 o'clock now in the morning and in flight it delay. So we just reach now and we're about to go to the Airbnb. So vlogger, we're just checking out the room right now to shoot the movie and thing. Yo, I'm not like this run me way more than what me expect. I never expect me to come here and spend more than what I pay for already, you know? But anyway, the room pay for everything. But forward, I'm gonna show you the room a little bit and thing. Make sure my car lock. So guys, right now, we're at the pool area. We just check in at the hotel where we're gonna shoot the movie and thing. I don't really want hotel. I like house, you can rent, apartment, and inside it look homely. But watch out, look how I'm gonna trick the crowd. This is how I'm gonna do. I use this to shoot it because me dep on Airbnb and I try to look for a house, single house by itself. But the price of them one, it's a lot. So when I do find it so, and it's still a lot right so, because I guess at the time when I plan to do it, everything costs a lot. So I don't know the pre. I still not sleep from the party with Naro and Ari and Javi. We did late. Nah, like big up the fix. But I'm gonna show you in a room right now and you know, I couldn't get a peek of where we are gonna shoot the movie. Probably when you know I watch this, the movie not out yet. Yeah, come on drop vlog back to back. But stay tuned. We are going in a room. I'll show you in the stay. Right here as we come into the front door here. As I come in, we're in the living room. And you have a little dining table right there. So you see me, I try to make use of the space. And think it have 2 rooms. So what I'm gonna do, I use one of them for your next house look. And the next room for your next house. When you know watch a movie, you know go see what I talk about. I'm gonna shock you now. But this is the kitchen. And you don't know. We got to have alcohol on spot. You know. We only drink expensive shit around here. But fridge, you don't know. The bathroom give me a 90s old school like diner vibe. And this is the master bedroom. You know? I think I'm gonna make slick sleep in here so. And I just take the next room because you're so far from where I live. So I no plan for back and forth from over my yard to over here so if come get slick and carry go get things and it. One place me I stay. And do everything and then when we done and go up on the plane and make book about my business. You see me? But we there have to do some content for now. Because you see through me I edit the vlog them a different way. That's why it takes so long for me to get the vlog them. You see me? But me I get hungry. Me dey cook some brown stew chicken this morning. But me hungry again. So you know what I'm about to do? We go get food. So vlog world. We just reach back, we there at the telly and thing, and I eat some food. We're gonna call it a night. We was gonna go out, but we not bother going out, cause it ain't cold dog. You see me? I'm sick. Hopefully not get me sick. Me I pray to God, so me not get sick. Me ever go eat some sea moss tomorrow and drink some natural juice. But in the over there, so you see me, I top in food and thing. I would have all the vibes. So no go and stay tuned. I eat some food and probably circle back. I late in the night, so I don't know what go on. Morning everybody, so we just arise. Right? Money I got in bed early last night.
Wash up.
Tired still. As you can see, me still look sleepy. Wake up this morning and me line up, me sweat out. I have to spray on back this morning. Blood clot look lean a bit, you know. Put it to me say lean slick.
It's good, man. See it?
Lean a bit, dog.
Yo, fun.
Man, lie.
Yeah, we'll get the ginger shot and the coconut water and something that was strong up.
Alright, mad up on yourself, you so circle back your side. Guys, it's Star.
Hey, Trabass's vlog.
It's my sister from another mother.
Hey.
It's my sister from another mother.
Hi guys.
We're here and we lit today shooting movies and stuff.
Do you see how tall I look? I really love this truck.
Yo, look there, me neat there, you know. And me tall. Remember, me a 6'1", guys. Me a 6'1". But
It's Sunday, no Trabass.
see there, I feel I'll jump down. Jesus.
American Girl.
Ghetto, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, which one you prefer? Jamaican ghetto,
Yeah,
right?
no, that's fine.
Alright, American ghetto. Alright.
Boy.
We love it. We love your energy. That was good. You want to see me on the floor and jump up?
No, I was here when I said the belly. I'm like, Andrew better not laugh.
You like a video to that? Before I come in, we camera some here like shit. You know, move too far. But that's good. We have it now, the real way. But only get the guideline. The whole concept of this, me a sleep best friend, and you know you go hard for your best friend. He might go bribe me if you go tea for him and get catch.
I'm more soft to my female, but then we have a link with you.
Tuggish.
That's tuggish, yeah.
But funny tuggish. Alright guys, so go and stay tuned. So vlog world, we just done up couple scenes with Star. She shoot her scene and she's leaving now. So, you know, productive day.
Amigos.
It start off good. She and Slick. Yeah man, me like that little combination
That's really
there.
good.
Yeah man, me love it. Well, stay tuned for one about for watch. I'm at it. You can see where we there, cause we soon left out there so.
Yeah, by the time you drop this vlog, you're out.
Blow, watch Godzilla.
No, Trabass, stop now.
Shh, me not trouble, me want to catch him for the video.
Oh my God.
Biggie man.
Yep, Star, you got...
Oh. So guys, we just see Godzilla. See next time.
Wicked man.
So we are walk Star car and thing. She don't shoot her scene as me say. We're gonna do the scene with Slick now. And then
Was it cold this morning?
yeah, I know we're hot. I know me gonna shoot my scene and Slick scene them soon. And then we're gonna do the car scene in a day. We can't tell you no, but stay tuned. What you can do, dog?
Dog.
How will we there?
Over there.
Bye guys.
Okay.
Life.
We'll walk you to your car. Alright, later. Me da watch about the film them last night. I will shoot already. I'm so excited for this. Nah, like when you see already who in it, I won't know about for expect. Remember, January the 26th. I try find a day when I edit the whole of them vlog and drop them before the 26th. So while you now watch this, get on the ticket now. Please, you see me? Everything come out good. No sound problem, no nothing. You see me? Really feel like this gonna be something big, you see me? So today, we're about to check out right now. Just looking at my bathroom. I'm gonna make a quick run, go over my crib, go bed. 3 days now, I'm in a bed, you know. I'm not afraid to say that, because I'm dedicated to this. I want bed and shit. Yes. So what we're about to do today, I go over my side, over my house. I'm gonna bed and get ready and them thing there for the next scene. Cause I think we're gonna work out the time, what time we're gonna shoot today. We now have a lot to do today, just the ending scene them, and like a next add-in scene. But yeah man, you know, stay tuned. This gonna be a bomb.
Like for your vlog, we have the same clothes.
Me too. Me just tell him say, I 3 days now, me not beard. And me have the same something. Slick too. Him but him beard last night, I think.
Price of it.
When it is, I tell me things if you go beard. Cause this man I believe say when you're sick, you know for beard. So I kinda in beard this right on the trunk man. He might drink so early now man. Me can't drink yet because more we don't shoot the something first before me can actually partake in the gallivant thing, you know.
This is medicine. This is not for enjoyment. This is medicine. Okay?
Your visa?
Yeah. White
Your visa?
orange juice with tips of lime and honey.
Honey in there?
Yeah.
You honey pack?
Jamaica needs very crazy.
Come, cargo,
Oh
scene.
God, this. Alright. So we are gonna shoot. Tell them what we are gonna do now.
Right now we're gonna shoot.
Look right.
We're gonna make, you see, cargo,
Don't look right.
cargo, yeah.
Yo, you look good.
Cargo, step in past me.
Like, me never back you.
Cargo this, you know, cargo just buy some pussy and thing and I pass through.
We're outside, not far from. See what I said?
We're outside.
We just done shoot. I want to tell Slick on the vlog camera. My sister you're sick dog, I have pull through for me. Slick, make sure you get the shit done, even though I'm sick. In the ending, my sister could hold up no more. I learned we shoot the scene with Mataran and the security guard, he vomit. But he still pull
But
through.
the job has done.
Yeah, hear him.
Has done? Is done?
He's done.
It's done.
You have to know your mathematics, bro.
It's English.
Shit. But yeah, we done shoot for the night. It was an awesome shoot. I'm supposed to shoot the next scene tomorrow. I just might see them left for shoot, but basically we're officially done shooting.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud that we get this project done.
Yes.
Hopefully we get an hour-long content for you. So no, stay tuned. January the 26th, dinner a movie starring Trabass and Slick.
You know, a mad thing.
Yeah man, no go and stay
The
tuned.
big belly on the way, so it's slick. Why? Nah.
I'm that nigga from Trabass TV. I'm a dick. So tomorrow I gonna shoot the last scene.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Call him and make me know. Call him and make me know when they link him back.
Yeah, I think I just pull up a while ago to Trabass Bio.
Shit. Alright. If me a fall over that side, then I make you know.
Alright.
So guys, we just done left Pretty Dan crib. And reaching next location for shoot. But watch out. We not go bother shoot now because we work off a light.
Yeah.
So I think tomorrow if we continue the film, I go just take tonight and go edit it. Me that go out, but we just go call it tonight and focus on the film.
That is it.
And yeah, so guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna link Idagwe own a crib and make him know say tomorrow, sir. Mother up on yourself, vlog world. Good morning, good day. We're here. We have a special guest / top artist in our building where we are going to shoot with right now. Today Slicker left.
Yeah.
So we'll try to get everything done before everybody leaves. And thing. So far we are shoot good. How you feeling, Slick? You're a lot better?
Yeah, man, I'm going to hold him, you know?
That's great, my brother. That's great.
I'm a Roger Wild shirt. Sinful.
Slick. Move the water boot them no my youth.
Expensive. Very expensive.
Exactly.
Ugliest fucking shoes. Ugliest fucking shoes them. Alright. Mark said. Alright, so guys, we're here with the one and only.
What is DEMTIFA?
You know, it's a legend thing this, so no know. Stay tuned, Tifa in the building, and thing. Check our face, you know. Alright, see it there?
Supposed to, cause track face fit me.
I want to do them. Boy, Slicky there in a water boot. Roger Wild out.
Sinful.
Yeah man, let's go. So vlog girl, you don't know your badness come down.
But
Slick is about to leave. And thing we just shoot with Tifa. That was the last shoot.
yeah.
But me have one more thing for shoot with our old lady. So may I keep my finger crossed. Hopefully we can get the video done today with the old lady for add to the movie. And then we're done. But so far, I'm proud of what we shoot so far. Slick pull through. Big up yourself. Even though I'm sick, much respect. Hope you get better soon.
Yeah.
We do a bag of ginger shot, a bag of pale, bag of alcohol.
Bag of medicine.
And me think me sick now. Look at my eye them. Want to sleep, you're free. Nah, like, I'm not getting a good sleep from where I shoot. Sleepless nights, when I lie. But me can't wait for you to see that project. Yeah. Me I go hard with this, you know. So no stay tuned. We're not gonna follow me go shoot the next last scene. But me I make sure Slick reach on the plane good, you know. I'm mad thing.
So now watch the plane?
No sir, I just come out me gone.
No, but yeah, Jamaica back in the days, man. When they used to go inside wave.
Yeah, like wait till the plane go.
You
Yeah,
can't stay inside wave till the plane just
fuck no. Mad. But yeah guys, it was fun. Tell the people bye bye for me now. My seats for me.
Better take all the party, you know.
Take on.
Why? You're not trouble. Anyways, when you see I'm skin down, I'm teeth the white like chalk, you know it's slick white line. What under my nose?
Teeth and tongue.
My veneers.
Oh, Ross, chalk teeth.
Look at that, you're lame.
Yeah, she have a man but still want fuck me have a problem. Me ex a tell everybody me a the problem. Me nah go lie, me think I chew me a the problem. Just living life and fucking bitches a me problem. Me no wanna